I'm delighted to share our project with you here. Our project is called Time C, and the main content is the design of a showroom. First of all, I would like to introduce our project's content briefly. The content of our project is to design a craftsmanship showroom in the sales center of a newly developed real estate owned by Vanke to help them better promote their new buildings. The undertaker of our project is Mddn502 Exhibition Company, whose primary business is the design of the exhibition halls and the production of digital content. With their help, we started the production of this project. The main task is to design the content of the showroom according to the content provided by Party A. Now, let me introduce the situation of the showroom. The showroom is located on the second floor of the sales center at 98 square meters. The showroom is located on the only way for visitors to visit the prototype room. So how to better attract visitors' attention rather than let them stay for a short time is the focus of our design. The content of the exhibition hall is mainly divided into 4 parts. First, some materials used in decoration will be introduced, including decoration materials and bathroom utensils. After that, I will mainly introduce the quality electrical appliances in the kitchen and the bedroom. Finally, the concept of the intelligent home is explained. According to these contents, we decompose it into 2 categories. The first category is the content that exhibits can be displayed. We mainly carry out the display and introduction of physical exhibits for this part of the exhibits. The second category is the content or that content cannot display in kind. For this part, we mainly want to show the unique concept of the product. Based on research and investigations, we have finally settled on 2 formats for producing and presenting this content. For those content can provide physical exhibits, we have combined physical models and touch screens so that visitors can intuitively check the quality of these decoration materials. For those new home products, we will integrate the concept of this product through production animation. After choosing the presentation form, we start sketching and user testing. Through user testing, we discovered something that was missing in our thinking. At the same time, we have also determined the direction of our efforts. First of all, with the development of the society and the improvement of everyone's experience. There are countless exhibitions that everyone has seen, so how to better attract visitors' attention is the direction we need to focus on. Only should we keep the form novel, but the content should not be a simple accumulation of text and pictures. If we want visitors to stay, try to be innovative. In addition, maintaining precision is also something we need to pay attention to, keeping the form concise to facilitate user operation and keeping the content accurate. Grasping the product's highlights of display so that visitors can better understand the advantages of the product. It's the decoration we need to work hard. We drew the content of the user journey to help us better organize the content. User journey mainly records why visitors enter the exhibition hall, the activities in the exhibition hall, and the process after the visit. Our division of the work according to the content, we divided the space into 2 parts and present the content of the form separately. Let's take a look at a specific display form and content. First of all, judging by the line of sight, the first thing visitors see after entering the exhibition hall in the Or judging by the line of sight, the first thing visitors see after entering the exhibition hall is the installation on the right. In this part, we adopt the design of a physical interactive wall with a touch screen. Fix the physical model on the wall and add a physical button linkage screen next to it to introduce the exhibits. Visitors want to learn more about one of the exhibits. They only need to press the physical button next to the exhibit, and the touch screen can be linked to display the details of the exhibits. This form of presentation retains an interactive experience. Visitors can choose what they want to know, and the right of choice is handed over to the visitors, which significantly increase their sense of participation. For this time, with the display of physical models, visitors can truly see the quality of the products. After learning about the physical models, visitors can walk to the other side of the exhibition hall to learn more. On the other side of the space, we lower the brightness of the interior lights and use a projection wall combined with digital ink to animate the working methods and highlights of this new furniture. Digital ink is a form of technology that allows handwriting and drawings to be added electronically to documents and displayed on a computer monitor. Visitors can touch and select the projects of interest to learn. The first thing that the user sees is the electrical appliance in a bedroom. This part mainly displays a steam closet, clothing care machine. Through projection animation, we present the function of the product one by one. This clothes care machine uses steam to help smooth wrinkles and wipe off bacteria on clothes. At the same time, it can also help us complete the drying of clothes, remove odors, and have a lasting fresh effect. Through animation effect, we can understand the characters of these products in detail. At the same time, this form is also easier to impress the visitors. After visiting the bedroom furniture, let's look at kitchen part. This includes our new SICK dishwasher. It breaks through the capacity of traditional dishwashers and facilitate users' operation. At the same time, it can also wash fruits and vegetables and remove pesticides on the surface. Then there is our high-fly flame stove, which is easier to heat and use. At the same time, our high suction range hood can ideally take away the fumes and ensure the cleanliness of the space. Finally, we also added a cool bar kitchen air conditioner in the kitchen. With its help, we can cook quickly, even in hot summer. It also helps us filter impurities from the air and keeps indoor air fresh. After looking at these electrical appliances, we present the smart home part to meet our more needs of users. We have also added intelligent home content in the new home to facilitate users' life and ensure user safety. First, we added a fresh air system throughout the house. This is how the unit is structured and works. Effectively purify indoor air, form a protective air cover to protect pollution against the pollutants in the air, and insulate most of the bacteria, PM2.5, and dust in the air. At the same time, it can also eliminate the tepid air in the room and quickly remove the smell. Fresh air system ensures the cleanliness of entire indoor space. In addition to this, we also intelligent lighting devices in the house, automatically making a morning call, add ground sensing lights, and turn on the lights in advance through sensing to protect the safety of users. At the same time, there are many ways to switch the light foam at will. Control the work of indoor lighting through our mobile phone, iPad or touchpad, and you can also easily adjust the brightness of the light. Also realize automatic lighting and the automatic lighting of lights by sensing the user's position. Later, for the safety of users, we also introduced intelligent safety monitors. You can observe the situation at your doorstep through your mobile phone and automatically call the police if an emergency occurs. Finally, for the smart home operation, we mainly use mobile phones to achieve. Mobile phone can control the light remotely. Control some machines in your home. Control the air conditioner. And you can also control the door lock, ensure family safety, and facilitate the life of users. Through these animations, visitors can quickly understand the highlights of each product. At the same time, these novel devices realize the interaction between users and the content, and the film is enjoyable, which can well attract visitors' attention. The above is the design of the content we have carried out for this project this time. Regarding further improvements, we mainly want to work towards two goals. First of all, for these contents, we hope that we further make them into animations for display. At the same time, due to the impact of funding this time, we cannot put our ideas into actual project. So we hope there will be future opportunities to use these devices in reality.